In this video, I will first run RabbitMQ server using Docker. And second, I will implement a hello world in Python, in which producer sends hello world message and consumer receives and print out the message. There are two resources I use to make this video. Now let's start with the first step, run RabbitMQ server using Docker. I will run it in detached mode and bind the network to the local, the host. Give it a host name. And give it a name. The image name is RabbitMQ. Now we can start implementing, but first I want to create a virtual machine, virtual environment for my Python code. And activate the environment. We will use Picker, so let's install it. I will call the producer is send pi and consumer receive.pi. For producer, first import picker. Then we need to connect to the server. Then we bind our container network to the host. We can use here a local host. And the second step, create a queue. Name hello. We can use this command as many times as we want, and only one will be created. And the third step, we will send message. Routing key is a queue name, hello. And the message is hello world. Now we can safely close the connection. Now we can start with consumer. First, import library. In our main function, the first step, Also, we have to connect to the Rabbit server as a second step. Also, we will declare the hello queue. Let's copy it from the previous code. Now we will subscribe our function to a queue. But I will declare the callback function. This callback function is so simple. It just print out the message. Now we subscribe it. And then you can start consuming. Everything is done. Now we can run. First, run our receiver. We call it receive. And in another window, we will run our producer. But first, I have to activate my environment. Now we can run it. We have some mistake here. This one. Should be a chain. Now we can run it.